So day 2, and today's the big day.
Yay!
Screening.
It's gonna be screened in a few hours.
4:30 today is the big screening. So we've got lots of people coming, lots of people already excited about it after yesterday. How are you feeling?
Nervous. What if no one comes? What if everyone hates it?
I don't think that's very likely. It's going to be awesome. We're almost there, so there it is. Some of the fans arriving for the big screening.
And we just got the flyers printed.
Yeah, let's go do some flyering.
No, we're not. I'm just checking my phone.
Hold the flyers out. Think of it walking the freedom tracks. Freedom tracks.
We'll just bear with it and then watch it on our own time.
Good luck. Final words. Wish me luck.
Like so many other little girls, I dreamt about horses and freedom.
So the horses have been on the earth for 60 million years, and they've only been domesticated for a very small fraction of that.
It comes from a sense of feeling worthy to be chosen by this beautiful creature.
It's amazing! Wow!